Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, as you can tell by the title of this video and the fact that I'm talking a little bit quietly because it's really late at night, I will be showing how I remove my acrylics because, well, let's be honest, it looks pretty shit. We're in quarantine and, well, I can't really go anywhere, can I? Not like I go anywhere. So as you can tell, you've already got chipped off acrylic. That one I ripped off. This hand has already been done. This nail I actually ripped off the acrylic and it fucking hurts. Prep and whatnot, and I will show you how I get this off safely so you don't hurt your nails. Alright, now on with the video. So things you're going to need to remove the acrylic, you'll need some foil, some cotton bud swab things that you're going to put acetone on. These are like really big. I just cut them up. You're gonna, if you have these little like nail clip things, you can literally buy them off eBay, Amazon. I'll link something below. Cuticle remover when we're getting into the other parts. One of these thingamajigs, I have this buffer which is quite coarse, then I have this one which is really worn down. It's really thin and soft on the nail, which I like, and then some nail files, whatever, and most importantly is 100% pure virgin acetone. You can literally buy this anywhere. You can even go to like Bunnings, and this stuff is pretty strong. So what we're going to do, as you can tell, this is 4.5 weeks of growth. My nails grow really fast, so what I have been doing the last week or so, I've been filing them down, but because I can't be bothered, we're just going to take a bit of the shine off. This one's lifted like right there, so once you've buffed that off, I only buffed a little bit there because the acrylic's off. So what you're going to do is get one of these thingamajigs, get your little foil and get your clip at the ready. I'm gonna get some acetone, okay, and what I do is I just put it in the lid, soak it off enough but not too much that it's drenched. We're gonna go with the pinky first. So what I did, you can wrap it or put your finger down, however you feel comfortable. Just make sure that it is soaked. Wrap your little finger, okay, press down on it, and then get your little clip. And the good thing about it, it puts pressure on the nail, so it encourages it to kind of soak up the acetone. So we're just going to do the other nails, and yeah. Fair warning, if you have a cut on your finger, it hurts like a bitch. So now my nails look pretty cool. Just gonna leave this on for around 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and see how it's going. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, which that's fine. So you get your little tool and just unravel one at a time. Try not to mess up too much of that, because if you need to go back in, you can reuse it. And then just start to push it down. It's like kind of sticky, so as you can tell it's not completely melted off yet, but it has. Like, it's not too much of a hassle. Just bear in mind, this is not a quick fix of getting it off. It is time. This could take, I don't know, maybe at least an hour. I mean, we're in quarantine, right? So, okay. So that's going back. And I'm just gonna get onto the other ones. Okay, so I've put all of the clippy things with the acetone. I'm gonna let it sit for maybe another 10 minutes and then we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to remove, hopefully this has, yep, there we go. And bam, the dirt is gone. Ooh, ooh. So it's gonna look and feel a little rough. That's right. I'm just gonna leave that as it is, and we're gonna do the other fingers. Okay, so that is the situation right now. They don't look great, but that's all right. We will fix that. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna cut them short-ish. Oop, that went flying. I want to keep them short just because I want them to grow out. So I'm just going to get a file just to get rid of those rough edges. Okay, now I'm just getting this pretty coarse buffer and I'm just going to brush it down, and as you go just touch your nail. That is done. We're going to get cuticle remover and generously just apply that. And just gonna leave that on for 1 minute. Just realized I didn't film this part. I thought I clicked start and I hadn't. So I just went over my nails with a very thin buffer. I did remove the cuticles. Damn it, I didn't record it. All I did was push this up and then I used this little cutter take away anything, and that's what the nails are looking like. So just buff them up quickly. I'm just going to give them a wash, and then we're going to get them ready for nail polish. Okay, I just put my UV LED nail lamp on, got rid of some stuff so we can get onto these nails. I also put a jumper on, hence the sleeves, because I got a bit chilly. So the color I'm going to use is by the brand Gel Polish. It's like that. It's actually like one of my favorite colors. And then this is the top coat, and that is the base. So let's see if I can do this. So just make sure that your nails are... So we're just gonna go with the base. You should go with, oh, it's kind of sticky. I've been told like thin layer. And then you're just gonna cure it for, I just clicked the 60. Light has turned off. Looking shiny. So now that I've cured that for 60 seconds, it's a little gooey. If you feel like it's not where it should be, I would recommend doing it for another 30 seconds. Actually, I think I will, just because I just want to ensure that the base is pretty strong. No, I mean, it's only another 30 seconds. Alright, so that's done. And again, thin coats. So that's one coat, and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, 2 coats are done. I mean, like, how cute is that color? And even like short stubby nails like mine, it actually looks really cute. So now we're just going to go with the Gel Polish top coat. So with this one, I'm just going to do also a thin layer. Now that I've applied the top coat, they're looking pretty good. If you feel like you need to add a 3rd layer of color, by all means do it, but it's just better to apply thin coats than one thick coat, because it doesn't dry and it pops off. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. So this is work. So instead of curing it for 60 seconds, I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes. Most, like, even when you go to nail salons, they tend to cure, they make you cure your nails for at least 2 minutes, and I find that it just leaves it looking pretty. So I've done the other hand. I'm just going to use some isocol, which is just rubbing alcohol. I don't have lint-free thingamajigs, so I'm just going with this. I don't really care, and you're just going to clean. And last but not least, we're just going to use some nourishing oil, because you saw with the acetone it really dried out. you know, rub it in. And there you have it, people. I mean, it's not like the best in the world, but hey, being quarantined, they don't look bad. Yes, they're still a little bit bumpy. I mean, my nails are not perfect because obviously having acrylics, but I'm actually really happy with my little stubby fingers till this all ends and everything goes back to normal. So till then, this is what we're dealing with. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for videos, but this is where we're at today. So I'll see you guys in my next video.